In this video, we will be doing the cleaning, the Ho'Oponopono chanting for money. We have been carrying various limiting beliefs, various negative emotions for money, and no wonder it doesn't come in our life the way we want. So let's take this opportunity to clear any negativity which we hold for money, because money is also energy like everything else, and we need to give our positive vibes to money in order to attract it more in our life. So please follow the steps which I am telling. Be in a very comfortable position and make sure there is no disturbance around you. You can sit or lie down or whichever is comfortable for you. Please use the headsets to have a better clarity about the audio. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in and release. Put right hand on your heart and let's start the chanting. Dear money, I'm so sorry to crib about you, to complain about you, and to condemn you in every possible way. I'm really sorry for not realizing that whatever I have in my life is because of you. Whatever materialistic things I'm able to afford, it is only because you are there in my life. I'm really sorry, money, for not working hard enough to help you grow in my life, and then start cribbing and complaining that you are never enough in my life. Please forgive me, money, for comparing you with others' income and feeling low about myself. Please forgive me, money, for not talking good about you to others or to myself. I know it would be really hurting for you to know that I do not have positive vibes for you. Thank you, dear money, for all the things you have done till date in my life. Let me take this opportunity, because I know I never told you this before, that how important you are in my life. There are innumerable things for which I need to be thankful to you, but let me pick up some major things on my list today. Thank you for the wonderful life I'm living just because you are there in my bank account. Thank you for the shelter which I have in the form of my beautiful home. It's only possible because of you. Thank you for the food I'm able to eat every single day. I can have the wonderful and yummy food only because of you. Thank you so much for all the nice clothes and shoes I wear on a daily basis. Thank you so much for helping me do a lot of shopping for myself and my family members. Thank you for all the charity which I'm able to do and serve people. It is only because you are there in my life. Thank you, money, for all the wonderful travels which I do. It's only possible because you are surplus in my bank account. Thank you, money. Because of you, I'm able to spend so much of money on my kids' needs in the form of their education, their toys, their books. Everything is possible just because of you. Thank you, dear money, for what all things you have done in my life. I love you, dear money. I love seeing you increasing in my bank account month after month. I love working hard so that I can bring you more in my life. I love you, money. Though I never told you before, but I want to take this opportunity to tell you that how much I love and care for you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Take a deep breath in and release. You may slowly open your eyes with the feeling of a gratitude towards money. I hope it was an eye-opening video for you, because there are not many times when we thank money, because everything which we are able to afford, it's because universe has given us surplus amount of money in our life, which is sufficient for our needs. If you like this video, please press the like button, please comment, and please share with 3 of your friends so that they are equally benefited with this video. If you want more such videos, please message in the comment on what particular topic you want me to make the videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you are coming for the first time, because I'll be making more such videos on Ho'Oponopono Chanting, which will help you clear any negativity which you are facing. And if you want to do live sessions with me, please join my community. The link is given in the description box. Please click the link and get inside the group. Thank you.